In this video, I'll show you how you can fix iTunes not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the first thing you want to try is come down here and search for iTunes, right click on it and go to the app settings. In here, scroll down, find reset, press repair. After you repaired it, you want to press reset. Now see if it works now. If it still doesn't, you can close this one down. Come here and check if you have a Windows update. If you have one, just take it. If you don't, then simply close it down again and head to the Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, what we want to do is press on Library down here, find the iTunes, which will be right here for me. Now, if you see the iTunes has an update or anything like you see up here, my Microsoft Office has, then you want to make sure that you update it. Now, if there's no update, what you can do is simply close this one down, and then we can try and do a clean reinstall. So search for apps and features in here, open up iTunes, click on it, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now this should hopefully fix the issue. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.